Hello everyone, my name is Sumeet Ghodke. I am an intern at Smart Foundation. Uh, this task, today's task is of predicting the percentage of a student based on the number of hours he study. It is a first task of data science and business analysis. So let's look into it. Our task is to predict the score if a student studies for 9.2 hours per day. So now let's get started. We have imported here the required libraries we are needed in this task. We have imported pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and many other libraries such as seaborn. As we come down, we are going to see we have loaded our data. We have read it with uh, with the help of pandas. The head and tail of the data has been described here. Here is the info and description of the data. One thing I would like to tell you that I don't know the meaning of sometimes I get written it the comment so that you could also understand any beginner who is seeing this video or will understand. Yeah. So let's get go down and here is our graph we have plotted between the hours and score. So these are our points. If it's study for 1 point some hours, then the score is approximately equal to 15 point or something. Yeah, it is by the on the basis of our data. This figure size is just the size of the chart. Now, as the title is given here and labels are also given, so now let's get down. This matplotlib line, yes, inline. It's a command to display the graphs in the Jupyter notebook. This whatever graphs you displaying here is because of this code, this line of code. If you don't execute this line, then you will get a window where this graph will be displayed. I think you should execute this command so that the graph is plotted in the Jupyter notebook. Now let's move to training and testing our model. We have to first of all train our data. We have used train test split in um, random splits the data or a row, give it to it may be train test and y test. The x is for hours and y is for scores. Now here we apply a linear regression model, which is said here the weight and the intercept. As you if you know mathematics a little bit, then you can understand that y is equal to mx plus c is just a linear line, and the same is written here. Y is equal to mx. This coefficient, linear regression coefficient weight, has been taken here into x plus c. C means the intercept. Where this line intercept is 0 comma 0. It will be described here. That better helps you graph, and it is a line, best fit line. What this is what the linear regression does. It fits a line that the mean square error is minimum. Predicting our data. Now we have a task to predict the score of a student who is studying for 9.25 hours. What will be the percentage? He would, here is code you can get. You can just look at it, and as you come down, the escalon matrices we have imported absolute error, mean square error is been calculated here. It's just a simple code. In the conclusion, what we can conclude from this task that um, if the student works for or studies for 9.5 hours, the score he get is 92.67 percentage. This is predicted by our model. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, then I will provide the description link, um, the description of this Jupyter notebook code and Git repository. And also, if you want to connect me, I will also provide the link of my LinkedIn account so you can get connected to me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.